Question number 6 of exercise 6.4. The question says, prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangle. So we have two similar triangle and we have to prove that ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding median. So we have two similar triangle ABC and DEF. These are two similar triangle and we have to show that the ratio of their areas, ratio of the area of triangle ABC and triangle DEF is equal to square of the ratio of their corresponding median. That is, we have to prove that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equals to AM upon DN whole square. That is, the ratio of the areas of these two triangles is equals to the square of the ratio of their corresponding median. So AM and DN, they are two medians of this triangle. AM is a median of triangle ABC and DN is a median of triangle DEF, and we have to show that area of ABC over area of DEF equals to AM upon DN whole square. So let's start. First of all, just write what is already given in the question. So we are given that triangle ABC and triangle DEF, they are similar, and AM and DN, they are the medians of triangle ABC and DEF respectively. To prove this, we know that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Since these two triangles are similar, therefore ratio of the areas of these two triangles, area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DEF, is equals to the square of the ratio of their corresponding side. So AB upon DE whole square equals to AC upon DF whole square equals to BC upon EF whole square. This is the relation between the area of the similar triangle and their corresponding sides. So we have area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF equal to AB upon DE whole square equals to AC upon DF whole square equal to BC upon EF whole square. Using this condition, we are going to derive this one. So if we just prove that AB upon DE or AC upon DF or BC upon EF, any one of the ratio is equals to AM upon DN, then we can replace this ratio by AM upon DN. So what we are going to do, we are going to prove that this triangle ABM, this triangle ABM and this triangle DEN, these two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, then AB upon DE equals to AM upon DN. So for proving these two triangles to be similar, what we are going to do, we have already knew that this angle is equal to angle DEF, this angle ABC, this angle is equal to angle DEF. Why? Because ABC is similar to DEF, so their angles are equal. So this angle is equals to this angle. Also we have AB upon DE equals to BC upon EF. Why? Because these two triangles are similar. So we have AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF, and we also know that BC is the twice of BM and EF is the twice of EN. So we are going to use that condition. So first of all, just write BC equals to twice of BM. Why? Because M is midpoint of BC. M is midpoint of BC, therefore BC equal to twice of BM. Similarly, EF equal to twice of EN because N is midpoint of EF. So this means BC upon EF this BC upon EF equal to twice of BM upon twice of EN. So 2 cancel out and we will get BM upon EN. So this is the condition. I am taking this my equation as equation number 1. Also, you know that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So therefore AB upon DE is equals to BC upon EF is equals to AC upon DF. This is my second condition. So this is my first equation, this is the second equation, and from 1 and 2 we get, from 1 and 2 we get AB upon DE equals to BC upon EF equals to AC upon DF equals to BM upon EN. So that means the ratio of the sides of these two triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding median. Now I can easily replace any one of the ratio by BM upon AM upon DN. So now I am going to replace this AB upon DE by BM upon EN. So using this we get, therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equals to BM upon EN का whole square. Hence proved.